Good evening everyone and welcome to my presentation today. I'm going to present my project that I did on service provider or service provider website, whereby someone can be able to book a service and then the service is rendered. Because of time constraints, then I'll not explain so much, but I just give a brief explanation of how the source code works and how the front end works. So the first thing is that you have this front page or the index page whereby, or the landing page, where the first time you visit the website, this is the page that you'll be able to see. So then we have another tab called login, then we have sign up, we have admin, then we have about us, then we have contact us. So first of all, we try to start with login. But for us, we have not created an account. So first of all, we'll say that we don't have an account. So we click here and say make an account. So I'll enter my first name, which is George. Sorry for that. Then I'll enter my last name. Then after entering my last name, I'll also enter my email address. So in this case, I'll just make an error on email address to see what happens. For example, I can write just George instead of writing a clear email address. Then I'll enter my phone number. Then I'll enter a password. Then after doing that, when you click submit, it will tell you there is an error with the email. So we have to correct the email address .com. Then we click submit. So after successful submission, it will bring this type of a pop-up. So when we go to the database, let's go to the database now and check if the details have been added to the database. The database is currently empty, but when we refresh the database, you'll be able to see I have been added into the database. My name is there, my email address is there, and my phone number is there. So let's go back and try another thing. So the next thing is login. So for example, here you can just click this one and go to the login page. So for me, I have entered my name, which is George. George, and I have entered a password. Then click login. So then it will log in to the system whereby you can be able to book a service. For example, for me, I'll enter my name again to book a service. Then I'll enter my phone number, just anything. Then I'll specify my my service as online service. Then I'll say, for example, I want to book for KRA. Then after that, I'll enter the amount of cash that I want to bid with. Then select the dates of delivery that I want the work to be delivered. Then I click submit. So for you to be able to see the work that I have submitted just now, we will go back again. Then you go to admins. So in the admin section, you'll be able to see the services that have been requested for me. I have requested a service which is online service, which is a KRA, and I have requested to pay 200 shillings, and also to be able to be delivered by 11th of this month. So another thing is that you can be able to see all the people that have been registered in the database. You can edit, you can update. For example, if we go to the database, sorry for that, if we go to the database, you'll be able to see we have requests, we have users, we have register, we have so many information here. So instead of just coming here and updating your work, then you can do that from this side. Also, another thing is that from this side, you can be able to view how many people have requested for service and the rate at which the services are being requested, so that you don't need to go to the database. You just reload and see the number of services that have been requested. For example, if we request for example, we have submitted a sign up. Let's try to sign up again and with a different account, then see what will happen. So for example, I'll enter just a random name, then enter a random email address, then .com. Then I'll enter random phone number, then password again, then submit. So the data has been submitted successfully. When we go back and come to admins, then you'll be able to see that this person has been added to the system. So the last thing that I will look at is that we have about us. So for example, here you can display a text about the website or an organization or a business opportunity that you are offering. Then we have contact us. In this case, you can enter your first name, your last name, your country. Then you can also type anything that you want to submit, then click submit button, and it will be submitted to the database. Because of time, I'll stop at this point. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.